Good morning, everyone. My name is Nilesh Kumar. I am from Hardoi district in Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation in Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur, and B.Ed from Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow. My hobbies are reading and writing Hindi poetry and teaching, and my strengths are hardworking, dedicated, and disciplined. In technical skills, I have basic knowledge of computer. I have been teaching as a home tutor since last year of my graduation. Thank you. Okay. Mr. Nilesh, uh, I want to listen a poem in English. Okay, sir. Into the sunshine full of the light, leaping and flashing from until night, into the moonlight whiter than snow, waving your flower like when the winds blow. Ever in motion, blithesome and cheery, happy at midnight, happy by day. Okay, super. Nilesh, yes, sir. What is your country name? Sir, my country name is India, called as Hindustan or Bharat. Okay, who is the Prime Minister of India? Sir, Mr. Narendra Modi. Sorry, sir. Mr. Honorable, uh, Mr. Honorable Sri Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Okay. अच्छा, who is the President of India? Sir, President uh, Honorable Mrs. Draupadi Murmu, the President of India. And Mr. Nilesh, who is the Vice President of India? Sir, Vice President of India, Honorable Mr. uh, क्या नाम sorry sir, I don't recall this. Okay. Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. Okay, okay, okay. Yes. Mr. Nilesh, who is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh? Sir, Honorable Miss Anandi Ben Patel is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. What is the length of north point, north to south point of India? Sir, in India, north to south point between the distance 3124 kilometers, something around. Okay. And east to west 2900 something. Okay. What is the boundary of total boundary of India? Sir, around 15,000 kilometer boundary of land area and something 7,000 something uh, touch boundary to water. It means sea connected area. Okay, and totally sir, uh, around 22,500 approx. Okay. Mr. Nilesh, yes sir. Uh, Something describe the relation between India and China. Sir, India and China, both country in Asia, is developing and strong country. China and India relationship uh, after the war of Indochina in 1962 is not very good, but relation is better sorry, relation is average. China always show that he is very powerful, and every country, uh, basically India under the China, but India is also independent, and uh, and it don't don't accept the power of China. Then, sir, totally I said that India and China both strategic partnership, but not a good relation. Okay. Russia and India relation. Sir, Russia and India relation is very good. The past time of a historical moment when the war of Pak and India. Uh, India and Pak war, when the USA support the Pak, this time Russia helped the India. So Indian people always loved Russia and Russians, and Russian people always loved the India and Indians. Okay. What is the G20? Sir, G20 is a summit. G20 uh, stand for Global 2020 Summit. That time, India is a country who hosts the G20 strategic partnership. G20 is a group of 20 countries who is the developed of the world, most developed of the world. Okay. That time, some invited countries friends in India, and G20 G20 countries G20 countries ambassadors are presentator in the India. So India is a good form that time, and Indian economy is uh, well and better. Mr. Nilesh, what you call about the India called as Bharat Mata? What is your thought? Like in any country called Mata, good or not? Mata, it means mother. Yes, sir. India is a land of many cultures, many persons, and many 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 culture, many persons, and many differences. But when I call the mother of India, Indian mother, India is mother, then any person who lived in Tamil Nadu, who lived in UP, who lived in Rajasthan, totally a message that India is my mother, and we all the children of his country. So this message is a unity message. But Mr. Nilesh, some other religions like a Muslim, like a Sikh, and other not accepted that India called as a mother. Yes, sir. Sir, sometimes say that the Muslim community don't like the India called as a mother. But sir, I think he in the Muslims, his religion according love the land of where he born. So that's I define the any person who loved any form of his country, Uh, uh, Although he not accepted the mother, but love called as unity, and we want to unity, and unity is a symbol of growth. So that's my thought. Okay, Mr. English, you can go. Thank you, sir.